Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Smart Crop Protection from Wild Animals with Alerts using Arduino, Field Sensor Monitoring with ESP8266, and protection purpose we are using laser diodes, four side laser diodes, and alarm we are using four alarms and four LDRs. So, four laser diodes and four LDR sensors and four alarms. So if any animal enter into the field, the alarm continuously on. So let us coming into the hardware part. Here we are using an Arduino Uno R3. Total 4 sensors: LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, methane sensor, soil moisture sensor. ESP8266 to monitoring the field sensor parameter data onto the app, alarm and water pump, and 16 cross 2 LCD display. So here we are using one app. That app name is TCP Telnet app. So here IP address is 192.168.4.1:80. So let us coming into the hardware part. Let's start with power supply, smart protection form. So four side laser diode, 1 2 3 4. If any animal entered, alarm should be on. This alarm. Okay, here also. So T for temperature. So here we are connecting the app. So here go to settings, Wi-Fi, AI thinker connected, done, open app, connect. The sensor data will come, temperature, humidity. Okay, so here power supply, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 cross 2 LCD display, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. In motor, alarm, ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, methane sensor, soil moisture sensor. Protection purpose, 4 diode laser diode with LDR and alarm. Laser diode, LDR, alarm. Laser diode, LDR, alarm. Like that 4. So here app pump, LM324 operational amplifier to check the LDR status. And if anything will be dark, that same LED should be on. Okay. So connecting. Okay. Then switch on. Finding network. Okay. Go to settings. Wi-Fi. AI thinker. Connected. Okay. Here. Okay. Now I am giving the humidity, methane. Methane. No water pump on. Methane alarm on. Okay. So here LED on. Okay. LED on. LED on. LED on. So sensors data monitoring on app. Okay, so here data is coming TCP telnet app. Now I am increasing the temperature. If 65 and above, it will tell you, oh, high temperature. 66, it will tell you high over temperature. Okay, so I am taking the continuity. If continuity, okay, so it will tell you water available, continuity. So 2 LEDs on, yeah, 256. Yeah, water available, temperature 32, methane, humidity. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. ESP8266, IP address is 192.168.4. and colon with 80.